Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Proformance Unlimited. Hey, again, another beautiful, beautiful piece. We love building these gorgeous motors. This is a magenta Chevy. It's one of our 500 horsepower 383 Chevy strokers. And this one came out phenomenal. This is going into a Corvette. The woman said she wanted to paint a magenta for her Corvette. We put some beautiful Edelbrock valve covers on here. We powder coated the intake. We got a black Holly carburetor on here, a Buster or some sort like that, a breaker, a Prowler carburetor. We got our black MSD cap on here, all dialed in, and this motor runs phenomenal. It makes 500 horsepower and 500 foot-pounds of torque right off idle. This is the kind of motor you want to put in your car if you're going street light to street light, if you're a Chevy man. And he's got our AFR heads on there as also. Again, you want to check out the engine package, I'll be happy to put something together for you. Peace, and enjoy our videos. Thank you. All right, Laura. Hey, I was really pleased with the color you chose. I like it. This is going to be your 72 Chevy Corvette engine, which happens to be 383 Chevy Stroker. I'm going to fire this up for you. Starts up beautiful. Got great oil pressure. Our air fuel ratios are beautiful. And we're running at about 150 right now. And we're going to fire. We already did a couple passes. This will be the final pass.